So the corporation is extremely happy to lend us support also wherever we are needed. I know Secretary Sandeep Jack, who is the commissioner, he did a wonderful job with the whole thing. I was talking to a lot of the people here and a lot of the priests and everything. They said they've had zero issue. He's handled everything beautifully. All the arrangements have been perfect. There's been no incident at all. A lot of the people also are extremely happy. We were standing in line. It was extremely efficient. So overall, everybody is extremely happy. I know the fathers also are extremely happy and grateful to Sandeep and to the government as well. And overall, it's been a very good experience. We are more than willing to help whenever anybody asks us for help. Sandeep also has helped us quite a bit. So we are more than happy to help him in return. And it was needed also. This exposition puts our state on the map. There are around 7 million visitors who came to our state. And we all have to contribute. Actually, I'm a Catholic also. We have to contribute wherever we can. So overall, it's been a wonderful experience also. I know everyone else has been happy also. It is more than... Like I remember, we were here before the exposition. We were here on the first day of the exposition also. Everything worked off without a hitch. I know the police have done a wonderful job. Sandeep also, like I said again, has done a wonderful job. PWD has done a wonderful job. And overall, everybody, protocol guys also have been brilliant. And everybody has had a positive experience. I don't think I've spoken to a single person who's had a bad experience. The grounds have been maintained well. It's lovely.